Royal Air Force. Here he comes from your right.
Here he comes, bud.
This is called our low fast pass. Quickly pulling on the stick, the aircraft rolls inverted, going up the 45-degree line. Now watch as he gets to the top. You pull on the stick, the aircraft will come straight back down. Right back down on the deck. Pulling back on the stick once again, the short Tucano, right back up the 45-degree line, rolls inverted again. Climbing about 2,500 feet in the 45-degree angle. This shows how well the Tucano can climb in the inverted. Now, coming in from your right this time, keep an eye on this aircraft as Leet leads. Within the short Tucano. Right across the middle of the airfield, right back up over the top. This demonstrates the excellent slow speed, high AOA maneuvering capabilities of the Tucano by performing a full roll across the top of the loop. The Tucano has a very large control surface and great slow speed handling maneuvering. It's a very difficult maneuver, rolling around and constantly looping. Leet was born and raised in Louisville, Kentucky. Lee is a 1990 graduate of the University of Louisville Speed School, where he graduated with a degree in computer engineering. All right, keep an eye now from your left. Leet in the short Tucano. Now watch this. A nice 1, 2, 3, and the 4-point roll. This maneuver demonstrates the Tucano's excellent roll control due to the very large ailerons on this aircraft. This particular aircraft is a Royal Air Force serial number ZF-136. It's owned and flown by Leet of Louisville, Kentucky. It's the second of the series, having been built in 1987. Coming back in from your right this time. Now keep an eye on the aircraft as he rolls it in the inverted. This shows the inverted and rolling capabilities of the Tucano. Requires precise stick and rudder controls to keep the nose tracking straight above the horizon. Every RAF fast jet pilot today trains and earns their wings flying the short Tucano. Both Prince William and Prince Henry earned their RAF wings flying this aircraft. The Tucano is currently being flown by 14 different air forces around the world today for both training and light attack roles. Now, from your left, keep an eye on the aircraft. Again, building up a lot of airspeed. He comes right across the middle of the airfield, pulling up on the stick. Watch as the aircraft goes into the vertical. Climbing straight up. Hesitation rolls on the way up. Pulls across the top. Straight back down once again, building up a lot of speed as he comes in from your right. Keep an eye on the aircraft again. Now the Humpty Bump is a vertical climb followed by a 180-degree vertical roll. Watch as he goes up, rolls the aircraft again, holds it, pulls it across the top. And straight back down again. This aircraft serial number is T002. Between 1987 and 1989, it was used for flight testing before being assigned to the RAF training aircraft. Not long afterwards, it was pulled from training duties and was assigned as one of 2 airshow demonstration aircraft for 1 year. The paint scheme is that currently on this Tucano is the same original paint that was applied when it became a demonstration aircraft. Coming in from the right this time, Leet in the short Tucano. Performing a nice aileron roll. The short Tucano has an excellent roll rate and is well powered by the TPE 331 turboprop that keeps the plane moving forward while rolling. The Tucano is powered by a 1154 shaft horsepower Garrett TPE 331 turboprop engine. The engine is much louder than the TT6 turbo engine. Leet is the first pilot in the United States to hold a low altitude waiver in the Tucano model. The approaches from your left. Now keep an eye on the aircraft as it climbs up. Straight back into the vertical one more time. 2010, Leet purchased one of the 22 short Tucano aircraft that were imported to the United States in 2007. Here he comes from your right now. Like the sample, you'll probably never see another turbine military aircraft do, climbing inland to around 4,000 feet inverted. Roll upright, and now he'll pull the plane almost to a stop and then snap into a double left spin back down towards show center. Here he comes! Snapping the aircraft all the way down. Now, if you're looking for a nice photo opportunity, it's coming up next. This is called the dedication pass, a near knife edge flight. Great opportunity to get a nice photo of the short Tucano. Leet is the first pilot in the United States to hold a low altitude waiver in any Tucano model. He holds a low altitude waiver for all three Tucano models: the Embraer 312, the short 312, and the Embraer 314 Super Tucano. He's a former United States Air Force pilot in T-37s and T-38s. Nice look at the photo pass in the short Tucano. Leet's with us this weekend here in the Power of the Pines Airshow. Now Lee is setting up from your right this time for the low pass with tactical pull-up and roll. This demonstrates the high climb rate of the Tucano. Again, a climb rate of about 8,200 feet per minute. Here we go! The low pass with tactical pulls, a great demonstration by Leet in the short Tucano. Again, one of the performers that we'll have this weekend here at the Power of the Pines Air Show. Getting us a nice look at a unique aircraft from our friends across the sea in England. As you know, most of our acts today will be in the air, but we do actually have one that will be on the ground this weekend. If you like fast trucks, well, we've got one of the fastest ones in the world with us this weekend here at the Power of the Pines Air Show. The Aftershock Jet Fire Truck is with us this weekend. The Aftershock Jet Fire Truck is the world's fastest fire truck. It's a 1940 Ford fire truck with two huge jet engines developing over 24,000 horsepower.